Kate Moss will testify in Johnny Depp, Amber Heard trial on Wednesday. Model Kate Moss is expected to be called to the stand this week in Johnny Depp's bombshell defamation trial against Amber Heard, the Post exclusively learned Monday. The British fashion icon, 48, will testify via video link on Wednesday in the Fairfax, Virginia, courtroom, sources with knowledge said. Depp's lawyers were spotted fist-pumping a few weeks back when Heard, 36, suddenly brought up Moss during her testimony. Kate Moss will testify via live video link and be called by Johnny Depp's team. Legal experts explained at the time that Heard mentioning Moss on the stand could give her ex-husband's team the chance to dispel a rumor that he pushed the supermodel down a flight of stairs when the two dated in the 1990s. That's one mistake that Heard made, was bringing up Kate Moss, which potentially opened the door to Depp's team bringing Moss on as an impeachment witness, and that's one mistake that Heard made, was bringing up Kate Moss, which potentially opened the door to Depp's team bringing Moss on as an impeachment witness, said California entertainment lawyer Meetera Aran. A source close to Depp told the Post at the time, Amber mentioned an ex of Johnny's that clearly she felt was not supportive of him, which couldn't be further from the truth. Lawyers for the Pirates of the Caribbean star will call Moss as a witness, the sources said Monday. Reps for the supermodel did not immediately return a request for comment. Moss was in a relationship with Depp between 1994 and 1997, and, according to sources, has always been supportive of the actor. Heard brought up Moss while testifying on May 5, recounting a March 2015 fight in which she punched Depp in the face out of fear he was going to shove her sister Whitney down a staircase. The Aquaman actress said she instantly thought about Aquaman, prompting Depp lawyer Ben Chew to turn and fist pump. Moss was not originally expected to testify because the rumored staircase incident wasn't related to a specific accusation in the Virginia case. But Heard's mention of the model paved the way for Depp's team to call her to testify, experts said. Moss has said next to nothing publicly about Depp and Heard's relationship, and only commented a few times about her 3 years dating the actor. She told Vanity Fair in a 2012 profile that, "There's nobody that's ever really been able to take care of me. Johnny did for a bit. I believed what he said. Like if I said, 'What do I do?' he'd tell me. And that's what I missed when I left. I really lost that gauge of somebody I could trust." Her friends told the magazine at the time that Depp taught Moss how to protect her privacy amid her surging fame. The two met when Moss was 20 and Depp was 31 after being introduced by a Vanity Fair editor, according to the mag. "I knew from the first moment we talked that we were going to be together," the model once said. Their relationship had rocky some moments, including reports of a blowout fight at New York's Mark Hotel in September 1994 that ended with Depp's arrest. Criminal mischief charges against the actor were eventually dropped, but Depp had to pay the hotel more than $2,000 in damages and stay out of trouble for half a year, People magazine reported. After the fight, filmmaker and artist John Waters told the mag, "I think Johnny obviously has a temper. But this is a very minor incident. The room service must have been bad." A friend of Depp's told People magazine in 1994 that the couple can't keep their hands, lips, mouths, legs off of each other. When the relationship ended, Moss told Vanity Fair it was a nightmare. "Years and years of crying. Oh, the tears," she said. Her testimony will come on the third to last day of the 6-week trial, which is set to wrap up Friday. Moss could be a crucial character witness for Depp. Depp, 58, is suing ex-wife Heard for $50 million over a 2018 Washington Post op-ed where she called herself a public figure representing domestic abuse. Her essay didn't name the actor, but he claims it defamed him, ruining his career and causing him to lose millions in revenue. Heard countersued Depp for $100 million, saying he defamed her in 2020 when he and his lawyers made statements to the press that she had fabricated her allegations of abuse. During Depp's 2020 UK trial against Britain's The Sun, Heard alleged that her ex-husband had once shoved Moss down a flight of stairs. Describing the same fight involving her sister, Heard told the British court at the time, "I remembered information I had heard, that he pushed a former girlfriend, I believe it was Kate Moss, down the stairs. I had heard this rumor from two people and it was fresh in my mind." Depp sued The Sun over an article that branded him a wife-beater. He lost the case after the UK High Court substantiated the majority of Heard's allegations of abuse.